Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Alright guys, well, blessed love. So you know the thing goes, I'm back again. I'm back here, you know, to pick up another barrel and a box. Right, so this is coming from Winstone Chronicles, you know, so big up yourself, my general. It never stop giving, it never stop blessing. So you know, I'm saying your food basket will never empty, you know. I'm saying we're doing the same work, you know, helping out the needy and the less fortunate, and I appreciate you so much, my brother, you and your wife, to be on board, you know, on this journey with Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, big up yourself in Stone. As I say, thank you is like an understatement, you know, to each and every one of our extended family. Thank you just like an understatement. So I leave everything to the Almighty, but you know, gratitude is there from us. It's a must. You know, we thank you guys for your love and your kind support. It's nothing but love and love alone, you know, compassion going towards each and every one. So yeah, so today, well, this morning, yeah, the other day I got lucky, you know, I got away early. So let's see if we can get lucky again today and get away a bit earlier or leave even the same time. Not so bad, but I always prepare myself. When I come here, it's a day well spent, because trust me, it's going to be a day, you know, hell of a day. So let's go and see what's inside the same, you know. So big up yourself, Winstone Chronicles, we're doing it again, you know. So thank you so much for this barrel and this box, and I know it will be going to the less fortunate of his choice, which is, I think, is the Blind Brothers, you know, in Spanish Town, and others, you know. So big up yourself, Winstone, big up your wifey also, you know. I'm saying it's nothing but you guys are a power couple. Oliver and Carla, big up yourself also, you know. Our love, blessings soon, the overcomers, the Kiwanis, you know, the Sunrise team, to each and every one of our extended family, we thank them so much, you know. More time I don't really like to call name because it's too much name to call, so that's why I say extended family. That is so meaning. So let's go inside, guys, and do the thing and get the job done. So let's see. So guys, I'm back in the same building. No man, they never come back for here. Yeah, I'm back in the same building, so it's not so easy in here as well. Alright guys, as we say, well, it's not so quite busy down here, so you know, it's a smooth process just now, you know. It's a smooth process. So I'm there through already, so I'm going on the next side now to do another 2 payments, and then literally we'll be looking for the barrel. So good thing is it's not so busy, so hallelujah. Yeah, so I think I'm going to be out here early, so let's see. Alright, so it's been quick so far.
Yeah, we're supposed to have some fun. Yeah, that's the fun right back on yours.
So even inside the office here, it's literally quiet.
Yeah.
So this payment.
When you come and check it, you say don't balance, because there's no
Well, boy, I'm not lying. In life, them say sometime tea, sometime coffee. Trust me. Sometime tea, sometime coffee. This time around, listen, the place was empty, yes, not many people, but they claim to say the system keeps going up and keeps going down. So that literally like delay the time, you know, long, literally. I've been waiting. I've been waiting. So this trip beat the last trip by miles and miles and miles away. The last time I came, it wasn't that bad, but this time, hey, trust me. Why? So you know, it's not like say, yo, I never expected, you know, because you always have to look out for the unexpected. And today was an unexpected one where you have to look out for. Cause trust me, boy, I've been waiting for so long, you know, for so long, like literally, it's like almost 5 hours now since I've been here. Almost 5 hours now, you know, so I literally just get the gate pass after hours, you know, after waiting. Like I was sleeping one at a time, I wake up, them say system this, system that, and then now, you know, the people them start to get miserable now. The people them start to get moody, so that's when the night start chipping. Everybody are cuss, everybody are this, who say them have to go far, them have to go country, and all of this, and them wasn't able to keep us up to date and let us know what going on with the system. So people was getting really frustrated, you know. So because I know that this is part of war, for us, you know, keep myself home and just relax. They might come. Send me upon them where? So they get the barrel, the thing just in case.
Yeah?
Can't get it.
No, I don't want everything one time. So
Yeah,
I see
yeah.
what people say, now just give me again. No, line up the seat there.
Alright guys, so is that the guy that is giving me a helping hand? Seke! You drop something there, so. Yeah, so he's gonna look for the barrel and the box before the driver gets here, you know, because then they have to wait for the driver now, another thing as well too. So boy, so this is coming from Winstone Chronicles, you know, Winstone Chronicles. So we give thanks, you know, we give thanks, I will thank him so much. But this is the hustle we have to go through when you come towards WAF. You know, it's never easiest situation when you deal with WAF right down here. It's never easy at all. You know, it's never easy, but boy, you have to sit through it, you know, you have to really sit through it. So I'm just waiting now on the drive to pull up, you know, because it never makes sense I call a drive from a long time ago, because it would have been here waiting. So I'm waiting now for the drive to turn up, so I will keep you guys posted. And that small box in general?
Yeah.
Alright guys, boy, today beats them all. Today beats them all. Listen, you see, after we just spoke and I show you and everything how long, the time get even longer for them to bring out the barrel and that little box. Hey wow, you need to improve on your system, boy. You know, trust me, the time get even longer. You know how long I was waiting for them to bring out the barrel after I'm waiting on the vehicle. The vehicle arrived and the barrel still never came out. You know, one piece of drama again. No star. I don't know. Oh, go on. What if it's just that, you know? I'm saying, whenever you're going to walk, you have to just accept that. So I still have to do another pickup as well. Two more pickup. Another 2 more pickup. So boy, I'm in for it, you know, I'm in for it. I just want to get this out of the way. Yeah, I just want to get this stuff out of the way, you know. Yeah, everything that's come pile up right now, so I need to get them out of the way, you know. So I'm glad I got this one out of the way from Winstone, you know. So yeah, so and then now another one to pick up as well now from Country as well. The next pickup is from Country, you know, from White Plains Road, Bronx, New York, you know, White Plains Road. And I think the next one, the person said, I think they're gonna do door. I think it's coming door to door. So I'm hope I'm praying that one will come door to door, so I don't have to go to the wharf after this one. This one is gonna be another mad one. This one is at the big wharf. You know, the big wharf is even worse than the small wharf. You know, so I'm in for that still. I'm ready for that. You know, I'm ready to get a day and just call it a day. So I'm heading into Trenchtown right now to drop off this one. So basically this took up all the day, man. Took up everything from the day. Every single thing. This took up. You know, so later on I'm gonna swing by night market. You know, yeah, so that's the only thing I can do right now. Just swing by night market. Because this day has already done and everything done from morning. And now the time is like literally what, 5:15, and I've been there from literally just say about after 10-11. Yeah, so look at the time now. All day. No chance to eat anything at all. Why? Take out that box here.
So that they can bless me. Mighty that they bless me. They say they began both. See, I think I don't know where the people are going to drive out so fast, you know.
Oh, Bobo.
Yeah. Come here, sir. Think you want to do.
Alright guys, so here the barrel is, you know, so the barrel and the box is here, you know, till tomorrow. Yeah, till tomorrow I come and sort it out. Hey, I come and sort it out tomorrow. So this barrel and box is from Winstone Chronicles. Well, thank you so much, you know, Winstone. Then I'm going to give you a call right now to make sure that everything being picked up, everything is going through, you know, so we give thanks, I will thank you so much, you know. So tomorrow, these have to go sorted out so I can drop them where they're supposed to, you know, so they don't stay in here for too long, you know. So blessed love, blessed love. Well. Blessed love. This guy, so you know, after that long day at the wharf collecting barrels, so you know the thing goes. So I'm here at the night market, you know, as usual. I have to park distance away because I cannot find any parking. So I have to park distance away. And then now I'm literally gonna walk down, you know, to see, yeah. So yeah. But tonight I want to eat some food from Sun's Cafe. So I've been at the wharf for the whole day. The whole thing I had was some smoothie. So I'm definitely gonna have doubles and also have food. I'm gonna eat my belly away today. That's my plan. Eat my belly. Hello, hello, hello. Instead of time, I'm early. Are you eating my doubles? Hello. Oh, new face?
I've seen you before.
Yeah, oh yeah, the last time, right?
God bless you. 2 times.
2 times?
What 3?
Jamaica doubles or somebody that I never won.
1 chicken for you. No regular.
Regular. No, regular. Let me get 2 regular, please. 2 regular chickpea double for me, please. With everything on it. Thank you so much for watching as well. Thank you. To say you're well in tune with Kino Life in Jamaica. Thank you, man. So that's why I have to always come support my doubles, because doubles support my program. Right?
Because I'm busy. If it's not the food, if it's not an order, it's not in the kitchen.
Whatever sauces.
Everything. Oh, you say you're always busy?
Always busy. And they won't leave
Everything.
Them won't leave me alone. The phone always a ring. Alright. When I said them, I mean my staff, not necessarily you, your representative.
Yeah, for sure one of them.
No, today I said to myself, who stop calling? I say, no, it's a boutique. You tell them to call it. But better than call me than do foolishness, but Lord, I'm
Guys, you see doubles that thing, you cannot eat it with the one hand. So it's too bad sometimes to put away the camera and eat the doubles, because you can't eat it with one hand, you eat it with 2 hands. 1 end all and 1 end bite. So after we can talk to you and finish eating. So sorry. Son's Cafe.
One kilo boss.
Hey.
Dave, that is it. So right this now we have some string bean, pumpkin, stir fry in a coconut sauce, you know.
Yeah.
Aki pasta. We have some chickpea, falafel. Where you call that one there?
Follow me, follow food.
Follow Africa, follow Son's Cafe, follow Kino.
That's it, name. So you wanna make me have?
And we have some burger rice.
Let me have this on the burger rice. Stew.
Yeah. Stew and sipping on one.
Okay.
Cowpeas and chickpeas, you know?
Okay.
Yeah man. Coconut cream, you know?
That is it.
Yes sir.
So set me up one them thing. No pasta for me. Everything else but except the pasta.
The pasta.
Yeah. Them say pasta enough for me, call me a Rasta.
You know.
Hello. Alright, having some burger.
Thank you. Now I have to come in. I've been up there. I can tell you for years, like last.
At the roundabout is more than ice.
I got my job. Yeah, that's nice.
Yes guys, so after I had the doubles, then I'm having some food here at Son's Cafe, which is vegan straight away. As I told you today, my tank was an E. So once I come here, I'm going to refill that tank so I can keep it moving before I even go see Yaya, you know. I have to fill my tank up guys, trust me. Fill it right up. One Son's Cafe.
That is it, you know.
That is
Speaking
it.
of my life.
Yeah, man.
Official.
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 See it there.
Aye.
double, which is right. Relax. Mel.
Hey!
How you doing? 7. What's up?
So you played pretty.
Don't it?
What's
Christmas
in
come.
Like this.
Yeah. Sun's Cafe.
Okay, very nice.
So you follow me to Africa Unite as well.
Hey,
Too.
follow me. What's that?
It's called follow me to Africa. Guys, so it's this plate name follow me to Africa. You know, in my belly. So you know where thing goes. And I love my belly, you know, my belly needs food. But if you don't love your belly, that means you're gonna be dead. You have to eat, put food in your belly. See there? Follow me to Africa. Oh, what name?
Mr. Borrell.
Mr. Borrell. Mr. Borrell, big up yourself.
The key that you heard of.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Still entertain and full in belly as usual.
As usual, see them
Big up yourself.
almost
Yeah, man.
empty, you know?
Yeah, you always eat top food.
Always.
Where you got that? I know,
I'm sorry, stuff it. Yeah.
I'm with you.
Yeah.
It's usual, but go on with it. Big up yourself, YouTube every time.
Yeah.
You know, go on there.
Yeah, man.
Colors, still love you.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Mr. Borrell, big up yourself. You see me on your TV now with the next one. You know, big up
Alright,
yourself.
guys. Jamie, Genoa, Joel, Nicholas, all my
Everybody.
sisters. Yes.
Big up
So you need to
yourself.
hate yourself.
I'm watching you right now, so behave yourself. You know?
You know?
Yeah, man, big up. See them?
I hold it.
Yeah, so big up. Oh, then? Oh, then, big up yourself. Big up yourself. So, yes, mommy shall talk to you. Are your son? Yes. Behave yourself, you know, dear. You don't want to get the whisk, you know.
You're not big man.
Big man. I mean, mommy can't put on legs here, me. That's the one thing a mommy cannot stop beating you. The only way mommy stop beating you, that was keep away from her. The mommy lick you, just accept that. If my mother lick me, I have to accept it.
Yes, tell her to.
But if you don't want to lick her, I stay far from her. You know? Yeah. If you don't want to talk, I stay far from her. So I don't have to hear to talk, so I don't have to back and try anything. Exactly. Super. That's mommy, you know. Everything goes already, man. Mommy could have closed her leg, you know, and we would be here right now.
Right.
You know? So no matter what, she could have closed, no matter how much your dad deliver. Yes. So no matter how much your dad deliver, the mommy have to receive it. And when she receive it, she have to go keep it. So if she don't want to keep it, you know what you're going to do. You're not for there right now. So my mother keep it, you know? And I have to always big up mommy. You know, because she never dash me down the toilet. I dash me away, I'm still here, see you here, you know? So that's why we give thanks to mommy every time, right? Give thanks. Listen to your mommy. You don't want to listen, you know, take the talk, just take away yourself then. You know, but mommy, you have to listen to
Big up Kino, mommy.
Yeah. Hear that, Michelle? Mommy Michelle, big up yourself.
You've been a good son.
Yeah, you know everything though. Mommy, you know everything. She so come, so she come in this place. So I don't have much left, guys, so you know everything. I'm not going to bite my tongue on the camera. Put a laugh at home. So see a little bit there again. So catch you when we finish, right?
Yes. Big up myself in the trainer. Big up Opie too. Never stop watching.
Alright, Opie, big up yourself, Opie. Big up yourself every time. You're always watching, you know? We're there at night market. Alright guys, so I'm here now with yeah, it's my turn now. You know, each time I come here, each time I'm here, I have to make sure someone does wait. Because trust me, it's always a long queue. We're not saying line. It's a very long queue when you come here, come meet yeah. So I must wait my turn. So I've been waiting patiently. I get my calabash. You know? Get the charcoal in the calabash. Alright, don't put it in there. That bag. I'm getting charcoal as well to put inside my water. You know, so see there? So start eating from calabash. So my calabash here. So, see the guys, I'm going to start eating some calabash. Seven. 7. Your uncle's around there? Okay. 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. 11. Huh?
Oh, 13, give me.
7 adventure?
Nice.
Yes.
I know, but I was counting. 7 and 8 and 9 and 10.
So I'm show you now. Charcoal, listen me. If you have a little tummy ache, any little ill feeling, if food poisoning, anything wrong with the digestive system, man, you can do.
Eat it like that.
I eat it like this.
Okay.
This is our powder out, you know.
Okay.
You know, this
So
clean the cells.
if you have tummy ache,
You want to clean the cells.
yes.
See, and also purify the water. You know, if you have vomiting, upset stomach, diarrhea, charcoal clean cells. That's what you want, clean the cells.
Do that, guys. Clean the cells. So yeah, I don't want a chocolate.
You want this one? Choose one.
Let me get 2 bottles of more. I stop and look over now. And the guinea extract charcoal.
Yeah. Oh, you need a guinea extract? Alright.
I want a noni plus. A noni.
And a regular noni.
Yeah. And the purifier, the finish.
Purifier.
Can I have a lily over here, please?
It's something you like, do not like it, Kino. This is something you like again, huh?
Yeah, someone always pull me, you know. But they said they're going to bring one for me.
Listen, I think you went last week, so you never get no option for a lot of one. That was
They said they're going to bring one for me.
Oh my God. You can reach over to the Kino, but tell me.
Chocolate tea.
So original chocolate.
Only thing this right out. When you boil right up.
Well, as I put it in.
Yeah, man, you boil right out, man. Nothing on it. So you can drink the entire thing. You don't have to strain nothing.
Oh, you don't have to strain this one? Okay.
See, I'm just saying now. Just chocolate.
Just, guys, this don't just boil this right out. This don't have to strain. So how come this one don't have to strain like the other ones? Then?
Because of the process how we do it. And this is, as I say, this is raw. This is also raw.
Raw
So
chocolate.
when, as I say, ferment up. As I said, you know, chocolates is as I learn more about it. As I said, the one that roast and stuff like that, it's okay. There is such dynamic way of dealing with chocolates. It's amazing.
Yeah.
And to have the, as I said, cacao, really enjoy it. And to hold it in its whole natural form is there. A little science come into it.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong, Bridget.
Get the ferment for it.
That's what it is, you know. You see, when you get dark like this, because they have a process to ferment it.
Okay.
They have banana leaf and wood box. Listen to me.
Oh, banana leaf and why? Well, they can't give them the secret.
No.
Can't give them the secret. But it's all natural ingredient that hold it.
Yes.
All natural.
So what's up with you now, Kino?
You want to read it? You have any Sheila Jet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, so right now I'm on Sheila Jet as well too. Boy,
On everything?
I'm on everything. This is gonna be my third box of Sheila Jet. It's a food supplement also. So guys, you can Google Sheila Jet. And it have 85 trace of mineral.
Big thing, you know,
Then plus fulvic acid also, humic acid. So you can check this out. Increase of stamina, endurance as well to promote stronger immune system, support brain function, enhance nutrient absorption. So it's very good as well. Shilajit.
do you like or is it?
So guys, so here is my calabash bowl.
Just chat to you so long.
My calabash bowl got my dandelion, my blood purifier, my
Shilajit Nona Plus.
yes, my Shilajit Nuna Plus, king of the liver. He will deliver
Left the chocolate.
and not leaving the chocolate at all.
And you have the charcoal.
And plus the charcoal and the chocolate. So this is my calabash. You know? Yes. Well decorated. Put on that side. Alright guys, so you know the thing goes, so we finish with the internal over there from Yaya, and now I'm over to the Empress Melissa to the external. So here we have our
So I'm making a butter with lily, and I'm giving you black orchid oil. So I blended your shea butter with some oil just to add a little bit deeper essence to it, give it a little bit more masculine feel. But this, when you use this, you don't need perfume, you don't need anything, and it's really good to hydrate the skin, male and female. And it's very soft. It's just beautiful butter. It's very, very soft.
I like the texture.
This, tell them about the hydration of this. This really, really hydrates.
Listen, there's seat on me then.
So if you put this on, see, you just use a little, you put it on and look at that. Compare one hand to the other. I mean, it look like some beard on the one here. No, they look like some beard and take care of itself. So this is really, really a good one.
It smells so good too.
And then this is just our skin glow. So we also want to just tell people to support the skincare line, which is our CMOS Magnesium skincare line. We have our salt scrub that is obviously it doesn't have any soap in it and it's sulfur free, so it's really good for exfoliating, clearing the skin without any harsh chemicals. Then we have our full spectrum magnesium gel, helps you to sleep. It also refines the skin, relaxation, and women definitely need a lot of magnesium. But for athlete support, magnesium is one of the best things you could use head to toe. For your hair, and if you have any pain, you go to the gym, you have pain, or you just want to tighten the skin, magnesium CMOS is your thing. And we have them in different sizes, so people who want to start a kit could start small or they could start large on that. And our balm is our skin glow. If you want your skin to glow, go for the skin glow. The skin glow is amazing. It works immaculately for glowing the skin. So what we have, CMOS magnesium fortified with tamarind and papaya. Amazing. And the newest thing on the block is our ginger oil. This is our ginger butter. Come here, you have to get a little ginger butter. Try that, Kina.
This is what get rid of any pain. This well smell like ginger.
I want to say thanks to the people too who, they've reached out and genuinely support. For those who've reached out and support, it's important that we support our Jamaican branded products, especially for those people who are making organic products. We know there's a lot of people on the market who you could support, and you choose to support us, so we're so grateful for that. Keep on supporting, keep supporting Brand Jamaica and local producers, and use organic products. And as Seven said, you know what? The brand is called Erta Imani, which means faith in earth. And he's been saying it like protect the earth. It's a real serious thing,
Of course.
This is a child telling you protect the earth. And Seven really gets upset if somebody throws something outside. He say, you know what I mean? They're destroying the earth.
Yeah, of course.
And we didn't tell him that.
No.
So this is out of his own awareness. So just do what you need to do. But thanks for the love that you've shown, and for those who are still on waiting list, keep on checking in. When the money come on the mountain, drop a little money in the box and buy some
So give
product.
them your contact number.
It's 777-1216. So it's 876-777-1216.
Okay.
Reach out to us on WhatsApp and we will have the product for you available for shipping. Buy your coffee butter, and we have about 20 natural oils that you can use. Replace perfume with chemicals and alcohols and use your natural oils.
Imagine you have all the sevens in your number,
All the
and you have your
sevens.
son called Seven.
But it's so deliberate, and we deliberate, we have to be deliberate, we can't play around. And we have natural deodorants for the persons who want to use.
He's
Hi, Erta
vlogging.
Imani.
He's vlogging
This is
too.
Erta Imani. Erta Imani, magnesium CMOS gel.
He's vlogging.
Seven turned big master vlogger, just don't trouble Seven,
Of
okay?
course, he's vlogging. Yes, guys, some say just reach out. Just reach out to the skincare product, and we have Yaya for the internal as well too.
from the fire with the heat now.
At the heat that fire.
Yeah. This is called fire.
This
So
one,
when you feel like so you think you know it's the fire then.
you can feel it eat.
I mean anyway you have pea in the fire just say boom. You add that with some ginger you're gone.
Jeez, guys, this is so hot.
Hey, Empress, how you doing?
You rub it on your skin.
Just take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath.
Yeah, it won't burn you.
I see them use make
Let me
this.
tell you, so that is one of the nicest things.
Yes, I'm rubbing it on my feet. I am rubbing this one on my feet. Yes, my beard. I'm rubbing this on my feet. All right, Mel Mel.
See you on the upcoming week.
Yes.
Have a good one.
7 next week. Okay. 7 adventure. Check out.
Stop the car.
Start the car. I'm gonna start the car. Yeah, yeah. You know the thing goes already. Almost sure. So I'll go for the car so I can go to the back.
All right. Hey, Kino.
Yeah,
But we were a child.
go this way. Alright guys, so all set. Yeah, I go for my vehicle, I have a buckle for Yaya. The water buckle. You know? I see that, big up yourself, man.
How you mean, man? Fully keyed to the world, man. Yeah, man. That shows say your kindness go far away, isn't it?
True, it's true.
Yeah, man. To the fullest, man. We can't grow on the levels, isn't it?
Yeah.
The time I see her pause, I see, man.
Pause.
When you forward the first time, I see her hold it.
Yeah.
Forward on the turf.
Yeah.
And you see the turf around door.
Alright. So you know, say I shall return like the Jedi. You know the thing
To the
go.
fullest on the heights.
Of course, man.
Yes,
Cool,
sir.
man. Nothing more, less,
I
man.
mean, man.
Nothing more, nothing
Like
less.
brother took from them time they first to act connect again.
From them times, right?
From them time.
I'm gonna go forward again, definitely, very
Again.
soon. Very soon.
That's when you say again, I done it done.
I done it done, right there.
Again.
And we have your brother right here.
is wealth.
Health is wealth.
Natural.
See there, natural. So we have a YouTube channel,
Yeah, foreigner boy _ Jack.
Foreigner Boy.
Yeah.
You hear that? And a Yardie Boy now, Foreigner Boy.
Yeah, from Jamaica to New York.
Yes.
So we do it.
See there, so check out Foreigner Boy. So what kind of content them can look to see when them come over there?
Come to the food, idle, vegan.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the healthy world they must step in now.
Yeah.
That is it, guys. So yeah, that's a check out.
The thing we are show them to, you know, we are tell them say Nyam fruits Jamaica.
Yeah.
To the fullest.
Yeah.
Because my lord, watch and a whole heap of things we have in abundance when in a season.
We're not using it.
We're not we hear G say and food they don't a country just a drop off of the tree them.
True.
Say poverty no
Real
real.
then.
And if you are consuming no bag of poison, you see me I say,
True.
yeah, man, like supermarket. The top the Chinese them feed it.
So we have to eat the fruits there.
Yeah, man. The fruits them where they on the island and drop
Yeah.
them down in there, bro.
Yes. Can't make them go to waste.
Tell them Nyam fruits Jamaica so them a go see it.
Yam fruits Jamaica. Alright then, see that on Foreigner Boy
Yeah,
TV.
Kino make them know it's spiritual. Not
Yes.
physical.
All spiritual.
All consciousness. Righteousness.
Yeah, he's a conscious rebel, you know. Like
Yeah man, cool man. Righteousness is the way, man.
Yeah,
It is the way, man, every time.
Love is love and safety.
Alright. That's what create love.
Yeah.
Love.
Run that back, run back.
Said,
Love is love.
I mean, said that's what create.
And that's what create.
You see me?
Yeah.
Yes, man. Cool on. I just straight.
You use create.
Yeah.
You can do more upon the island.
Yeah, brother.
Create ways to preserve food
True.
in terms of what we have in abundance within a season. Alright, so yeah, we are right in the island.
Of course. No, have nothing to worry about.
Everything cleansing, detox. I mean, mentally, physically, spiritually, internally, externally.
Yes. So give him the spelling of the Foreign Boy.
FOREIGNER _ Jack.
Okay.
Foreigner boy Jack.
Foreigner Boy. Ja!
Yeah.
And ever living, never faithful. You know, that is right. Yes, I. So anyway, thing going on is me nothing but love and love alone, and I create naturally. You see me? Alright, guys. So I'm gonna put this in the vehicle and everything. I need to get a bottle of water as well to find me. Yeah. And I have to make sure. Yes. Then we have to go to natural. Big up yourself. One Sun's Cafe.
That is it.
Could I never do?
You see me I say?
This is where you get the healthy food.
Yeah, man.
Friday.
Every Tuesday.
Alright.
8 Lucas Avenue, Kingswood 9 Market. Otherwise, from that, you can find me at 1 Annette Crescent across from Mega Mall. Yeah, 1 Annette Crescent, Kingston 10. Triple T location. You see what I say? Yeah. On the left hand side when you enter the compound. That is it. Big up Kino.
You know the thing.
Tough, you're tough. Rough, you're rough.
Oneness, man. You know the thing go. Give thanks, guys. So you know the thing go. Blessed.
Blessings, man.
Alright, my general. Blessed.
Chica in a time plus bigger. Time plus qualified in a pro brother. Pressure goes white plus sugar and brother. Stand up from the night together and stop to the Babylon down in a corner. Think over the sport down the black brother. Life so sweet and we know you know brother. One more around, one around the brother. Chica don't trust that brother. Perfect love that we feel no one another. That they will put you like that in my brother. Don't trust that chica, don't trust that brother. Perfect love that we feel no one another. That they will put you like and then hey, you say the original right guy there. And if you are there, hey, what is that? No plan, not good up, it's about the world quicker. People like the eye of me, bigger than a feather. Men get to the king and the land, get to the power with that. Who know my eating up and there with the chipper. Everybody else, everybody your friend. Everybody children, you know bigger. I don't know if you ever want to give it to one that I don't know that chica don't drop that brother. Perfect love that we don't know what to do. That they will put it down and them to go. People like the eye of me. No black, no black. No black, no black. Come and say, alright, hey. Happy unite with the nation deliver. Call up on our shot to kill a bad man. Why you just next to keep up in our honor? Half of the hours so the ambassador. Black people do what we do with the world. Do the world already we can rule it again. Call up on our get the kings and queen. We go take back the world. We go give each other. So don't touch that. So don't drop that brother. That's right, Jack. Rastafari. Give thanks again to our black people. Now, the people
Alright guys, well, blessed love, welcome back to another day, to another video, to another on the journey. You know, the journey always continue. Yes, so today I'm going to give out some donation here in Trenchtown before head up to Mama River to get some update on what's going on with the kids, them father, and also got donation to give them as well too. So we're praying, hope all is well, you know, say with the father, you know, hope he's recovering well, I hope he's out the hospital. So I'm gonna find out what's going on, you know, to see how is everything going on up there, you know, because you know the rain and everything, and I never got a chance to get back up there or to call them. So let's give out this donation first, and then we head uptown. Bobbing ball.
Yes, she get the name.
She get the name too. Two. Man, spit over here too. Smiley get the styles them done. You know the thing goes. See that she already pay up already, guys. She pay up her money, she have her money and things. So when you come in, come get her hair done. Just come with the money. I'll be doing the collecting. Yeah. You know. Tell me. How much I rate the style out of 10? You know, Smiley have the touch. You know, look what 20 out of 10? How is school to go? You didn't get that one in the right in that class, Smiley?
Yeah.
You get that one in the right?
Of course.
Why I want to go food to school? I want to go food to school. What's it's fitter? Yeah. What do you say, guys? It's fitter? Itaguan. Itaguan. You want a shot? Hey, RJ! What's up, RJ? Come on, give me touch. Whoa, you know. Pookie say I always catch her dirty. But her ear always do. You know what I mean? Imagine that she says she always dirty, but her ear always do. Oh, you work that one out. Come see somebody comment and say, boy, Poochie always look up still. You know? Somebody comment and say, Poochie always look up still.
How that?
I don't know.
How that? You don't have to know.
You don't have to know.
Smiley say, I don't have to know who, so I don't want to know who.
But them know you.
Respect.
Yes. So when I say when I catch a clean boy, them say something else where we don't see. You know? What you must say? Huh? Can't hear you.
Kazakina.
Ah, I mean, Kazakina. No, play with my cousin, yeah? Exactly, Jim, no, I'm going. Okay, my cousin.
See ya.
Oh.
Come here.
You got money? Alright, guys, so I'm going to give colors a donation. Our team does well too. Is over there. You know? Perfect. Colors. Yeah, fit you. To squeeze you. Because it's going to squeeze you. It's going to squeeze you.
I'm trying.
I say your foot big.
Come on, take it out, I'm trying.
Your foot too big, man.
I want a slippers, I'm begging you it.
I was saying, I never know a woman foot big, so.
Look at my slippers, watch out. Watch out. The whole light gone, look. Me a begging a slippers like
well, that bigger than chump.
Chump, me too. Yeah, and him too. And him too. And him too.
Yeah, come here perfect. I get colors this and forward.
Yeah, looking at something for you. I am.
Let me come back.
Oh, yeah, go for the road.
Yeah.
What put your slippers, Dada?
We have Rasta message here. We have Rasta Jackson over there. And I think I give colors one donation. A colors, you can know where colors live, you know. Because when you see the colors close them, you can tell that colors live around here.
I want them to mash out a bag for give them downtown.
You won't see no line like this in Trenchtown.
One box of clothes, we give it a town already.
Yeah, man.
You give away one box of clothes?
Yeah, man.
Of course.
Messy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but watch, you know, the people that come do the food, we would have wait on them so them could have video me. But they take a very long time to. So just as me issue the clothes them and jump in a taxi heading towards Harbourfield, here comes the food van. But the people them, they were so glad for the clothes them.
Of course, but them see them things so colourful.
I tell you.
Them like what?
I hear me to them now, and then a father all along a salvation I'm gonna get, you know.
It's colour all along.
Yeah, man.
It's they getting from the colours all along.
I tell you.
So alright, colours, so we have a donation here for you because you know me now too tired because we run on the road. So we have $9,000 a year for you.
From?
Guess.
Guess.
Yeah.
Oh, $9,000 from Guess. Thank you so much.
Guess who?
Eder?
Yeah.
Eder. Oh my, Eder.
$9,000 from Heather from Connecticut.
Thank you so much, Eder. Oh
Eder.
my gosh. I know I say, but Kino, just take a look in the camera, man.
Aye.
Let them see the camera.
Aye. Aye.
Yeah. And you know, say, my plan to get some of them curtain here for mommy. But
yeah.
I think Felicia tell me so she soon come.
Yeah, she soon come, mommy soon come.
So what I'm saying, I don't want them done. Well, I don't know how many pieces I go that again. Yeah. But I want to go down at the store and get probably even 4 pieces.
Yeah.
And lock them off till she, you know?
Give thanks, man. Give thanks. So,
yeah, man,
to thank Eder again one more time.
Eder, blessed so much. You know, say colors love you. I know you love colors. You get what I'm saying? Yes, thank you so much, Eder. I know you're always there for me. Yeah. So, I'm going to get ready now for the airport. You see him, Kino? Yeah, man.
So
thanks again, Eder.
Yeah.
Colors love you. Extended family, big up.
Every time.
Yeah. So the camp look at
man, the camp look, we call it, and a wonderful, what you say?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Wow.
It's look beautiful.
Yes.
So beautiful.
I would even buy the shade too, you know.
Beautiful. You know, I want to come when you come to Colors Cottage, it's gonna look beautiful.
That's what I'm
That's
saying.
one thing for sure, guys. When you come here at Colors Cottage, it's gonna look beautiful. Yeah, header. Like feather, header. Yeah. So big. Don't fly out until you tell me what time. Yeah. Let me know what time. Ray! What, Ray? What? You say excited, you say Ray? What, Ray? Mr. Kozuki, you know. Mr. Kozuki, how was school today?
Good.
Good. Good. Just come from school.
No, I'm fine.
You still have a uniform, miss?
Yeah.
Why?
Come here, up there.
Oh. Okay. I'm coming around 3rd Street. I'm coming around. Yes, guys, you know the thing goes already. Chicken lady, I want you to stop lay with my slippers. It will squeeze you. It will squeeze you. Tell her to squeeze her. Tell her to squeeze her.
Tell him to forgive me. Tell him.
No.
You not forgive me. Oh.
She knows she not sell out to her cousin though. She not selling out to her cousin at all, guys. Because my cousin she get tall. She get tall. Yeah, it's in the family, you know. Legs. I got link on Patrick and say Patrick over there and just scan one thing before we move. I'll take it through the yard or so. Yeah. Link up here up you can move.
Can someone Buster?
Buster!
Bye.
One coming. We'll drop off and do this and Patrick and scanner. Come here, go up so. Guys, we're running through the trenches, so we're gonna see Patrick and Scanner. So we got a donation for them as well too. So you know Patrick already with a heavy voice, the Muslim man, and Scanner always giving thanks. So you know we also have to big up Eddie as well too. Always looking out for Scanner and also colors, you know. We appreciate that so much. So hopefully Patrick is in there. You know, he's a man who like to walk the street sometime. Trenchtown. These are the original toilets. You know, in the bathroom them. So you have to come out of your house, come use that. Oh, shit. Patrick!
Yes, Kena.
What's going on?
You've got thanks and praise.
You washing?
No.
Splashing?
Just need some venom tuna and rice.
And so you sweats and wet up, so what go on?
I pipe me back come from, man.
Oh, you wash your plate?
Yeah.
Okay. I think at one time as we done it, we just got the pipe and so drink pure water.
No,
you can't do it again these days.
No, I put the water for a second.
You can't drink that water there. You boil it?
No, I'm not boil it, but put it in a second.
That not settle. That full of chlorine and all type of things.
Put it in a second, man.
You have to boil it.
Yeah.
Boil it. Boil it.
Yeah.
I'll even put it to settle, trust me. That move a muscle. And then food the remember say water turn business now, you know.
Yeah.
So don't prevent one from drinking the pipe water so they can buy back water.
Me not drink the pipe water straight. But put it in a second and then me drink it. You know?
The way our water becomes business, you know. Remember when we were youth? Literally, we are drinking the water from the pipe, no problem, no chlorine, nothing at all. And when I realize saying free water too much.
There was there, but me take water and I want something. I want my mother pan it in the fridge. Me say, what if I read something under the bottom?
Yeah, man.
Me say, this mother drink it.
You can't drink the water,
no.
Man. When we look at you, man, trust me, man. When we finish eating, let's go the pipe, turn it on the pipe.
Yeah.
Pure water.
Yeah.
But these days,
you can't do that again. I just say water turn business.
A business now, man. You know what I'm saying? You're chlorine up the water, so nothing go buy a bottle of water. Because when time you're young, you never used to could have buy a bottle of water at a shop.
No, never.
All thing you could have go buy a shop is ice.
Yeah.
You know, you could never go and get water to buy in the shop.
No.
Water never sell them time, eh? Water never sell ice alone.
Yeah, well, water in a plastic bag now, like bag joe.
Yeah. Back in them days, I never go shop and say, "Me can get a bottle of water, please?"
No. I want my pasta.
Yeah.
Uptowns, too
Not even uptown, because I'm fully from the pipe see over here.
But one man pass up in a one van that sell water, you know.
Purify water.
Yeah, purify water.
Things and times change, you know?
Yeah.
Right now you have to buy. So Patrick,
Yeah.
so we have a donation here for you from Miss Mavis from Bronx. Ah, cool no? Yo, give me something off of the line now. This Mavis from Bronx, $5,000. Here for you. From Miss Mavis from Bronx.
Miss Mavis from Bronx. God bless you and thank you very, very much for this money here. God bless you and thank you very much. I ask God to guide and protect you and make life easy for you and make you successful in the business that I work with, you do, your children and family relative. God bless you and thank you very, very much.
Alright then. So.
Thank you very much.
Yeah man, so big up yourself. Remember,
Respect.
boil the water before you drink it,
Yes,
okay?
Kina, yes.
Because them water you can't settle. You ever hear something you can't settle?
Kina, the arthritis and mash me up, man.
Arthritis?
Yeah. Arthritis and mash me up, man.
Boy, I wish I could have tell you the remedy.
Me and my little someone tell me yesterday something. If you use boil ginger and carrot, you can boil it and drink.
Okay.
Like water, you drink it.
And drink it hot?
Yeah.
You try it?
Yeah, me do it this morning.
Okay, for the first time?
Yeah, me do it this morning.
Alright, so watch and see then.
Yeah.
Yeah? Take your time on the garlic as well too, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
You know the garlic is not too much, it's not too good for you, too much of it.
Yeah, them say again, say the water, the garlic turn the blood in the water.
Yeah, well, I know about the water, but it's just not too good.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, alright then, so take it easy, yeah?
Thank you for this, Miss Mavis. Thank you very much, Miss Mavis. God bless you.
Alright,
Miss
bless,
Mavis.
bless. Alright, go link from scanner. Alright.
Scan down the place.
Scan down the
Just show a
place.
picture with that scanner on it, you know.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that was straight cross. Ah, blessed. Kelsey! Kelsey na from school, yeah. Straight down, straight down. Trying to go straight down. I can know the screech. You're rolling through this place, I tell you why. Trenchon is like a maze. You have to know to fit the walk. Yeah. It's like a maze. Lock it up now.
Scan them.
Scan them.
Yeah.
Give her thanks. Yeah, go and relax and watch two cable. Watch two movie. Two Aya Western.
Yeah.
Two Aya Western. Come in, I'm gonna bring something for you. How is everything?
What thanks to life.
Every time.
Extended family give thanks.
Just see a picture with you, you know.
Yeah.
One long time picture with you and boom. Long time on 3rd Street.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Long time there.
Long time.
Yeah.
You want to see you with some white people, some tourists are coming in the area. You say, what's Canada, man? Those were the days.
Yeah.
So here was another $9,000 a year for your scanner.
Yeah.
From Heather, from Connecticut. Prefect, count this and put in a scanner and phone, please. So it's 9. So this is 9,000 a year for you.
Only on scan.
No, count it. I have the picture of the
Yeah. 9. From Heather.
It's Ada.
Yeah.
Extended family give thanks. And for the crew around this area. Still extend.
Alright then, so go and take it easy, yeah?
Yeah.
Catch up on the rebound. Big up.
Boma.
Yeah, man. So boom have the picture with you on him. Yeah, man. From
Roxanne is tech, man.
him by Roxanne?
Yeah.
From
Some 6 years that I go.
I'm more than 6, man.
Yesterday she showed up with her. I showed her about the phone and ring out.
I'm more than 6 that man, a long time that man.
One shot come my yard.
Remember? Eh? We don't get her back yet. I show her back. We get her.
Alright guys, so no, up on the wall if we go up on. Alright guys, so we're gonna head up toward Marma River now to give to see the updates what's going on Georgie and give a donation towards the kids them as well too. You know it goes already. The journey never stops. The journey it never stops. So stay tuned and so I go on.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.